Hope you're doing well. I'm Dr. Milind. So, November session 2023 NICT results were recently out. And yes, after results, students have a lot of thoughts in their mind. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती है दिमाग में and sometimes they are in search of some senior or a friend. So today I am not representing anything or anyone. I am just a senior or a friend of yours who has a little bit more experience than you, who has already gone through all of this. And when I was at your stage, whatever my mentors taught me, whatever I learned from my experiences and my time during the preparation, and what I learned from my seniors, so I'm going to help you with that. So I hope this video will help you to get those answers which are troubling you during this period. So the questions like whether to prefer branch over college, about aims versus peripheral colleges, how to deal with the borderline rank. बहुत सारे attempts दे दिए. I have done everything. I have ticked all the boxes. Still the ranks are not improving. I want to repeat. Although I have a very good rank, but मन कर रहा है कि एक बार और exam लिख दूँ. I cannot prepare one more time. I want to give up. I have again panicked in exam. अगर मैं फिर से prepare करूँ तो क्या? Is there any guarantee that I will not panic and the same thing will not happen again? And should I give up? So these are the questions I think majority of you are facing. So I'll just briefly try to address them. So first is branch versus college. So guys, very simple what my seniors also told me. See, always go for branch over college because as I always say, that college is going to be with you for 3 years. Branch will stay with you for life. And as they compare that, branch is like a marriage. Once you're committed to it. And that is why it should be your preference. See what happens even if you're not getting it in a good college right now. Like for example, if you're getting it in a peripheral aims and you hear from people that maybe the branch the branch is not much developed yet, but if it's a medicinal branch you can always go for it. And during the SRship you can move to a better college where you can get that 3 years of SRship, or you can get that experience. Even 1 year of SRship is enough to get all that things that you have missed. And owing to the competition, it's very difficult to again repeat. If you are getting a branch of your choice and if you are repeating for a college, it becomes difficult with the increasing competition every year, every semester. So I'll definitely say go for a branch, and don't just leave the branch that you are not getting the college of your choice. So always prefer branch over the college. That is what my opinion is. About aims versus peripheral colleges, some people have already taken their options through NEET, and again NEET PG 2024 is coming. A lot of people say that should I go for aims or a state college? Like peripheral aims, they are new, or a old state college. So I'll say, see, peripheral aims are catching up. There were initial 6 new aims, including aims Bhopal, Raipur, Rishikesh, Jodhpur, Patna, and Bhubaneswar. So they are now established, and all the branches are good there. You definitely can go there, and these are good. They offer you a better work-life balance. They offer you better research opportunities as compared to the state colleges. And definitely the tag that comes with that. Apart from these new 6 aims, there are more new aims which are still in an evolving phase. So if you are getting a good state college, so you can prefer that at least for this period of time. If you have that seat in your hand, तो आप definitely वो prefer कर सकते हो. But if I have to say, it's again it's also like which city you are want to pursue. Like if you are a resident of some city and if you're getting there your branch of your choice, so you can definitely go for that. So aims, new peripheral aims and good state colleges are at par. So there is no which one is better and which one is less than that. So it has its own advantage that aims give you a better research opportunity, better work-life balance, and a tag of aims. Peripheral colleges, the other state colleges, they have peripheral colleges, I mean the state colleges, they have better work patient load. There is a vast clinical experience and the practical exposure that you get, but they have odd working hours, like lot of you have to work like anything, and huge patient load. So that happens with that. So you have to weigh in what gives you the advantage in the selection. Now coming to the major problems of that students are facing. So there are a lot of students who have a borderline rank. So borderline rank means the rank which just was not able to fetch you the seat that you want, but it's giving you the other good branches which you don't want, but still are good branches. Like for example, you want a medicine, but you have ended up in a the group where you are getting like surgery or ophthalmology or gynae anesthesia, and now you are not sure whether not getting medicine, but you're getting these branches, and whether you go for it or you should give it again. See, again, as I have said, you should keep branch above everything, because that is going to be there for the rest of your life. There was a post I recently saw that as a doctor's, majority of our life we will spend on our work. So it is very important that we, most of the time, we should do what we love, and we should be happy with that. So if you feel that you can settle for the branch, you can be happy. See, sometimes you don't know. As an intern, we are not exposed much to the branches. I never thought that I would love pediatrics as much. I have loved after taking the branch. There are a lot of students I have seen that they hated a particular branch, but the rank, they took that branch because the rank needed the rank needed for a better branch, but they were not having the rank. They took that rank and they become excellent in their field. So it's okay if you want to settle. Sometimes things don't go. I always wanted medicine. I never thought that I will take pediatrics, but I'm happy for over the last 6 years I'm in pediatrics, and I'm happy in that. And I think sometimes it's a destiny that we have. But if you feel that your passion is more, my passion was going for AIMS. So I had a medicine seat in my hand in NEET PG, but I went for AIMS. So if you're someone you feel like नहीं मुझे जाना है, मेरे अंदर वो fire अभी भी है, and I think I can improve my rank, and definitely you should go for that. But I'll say, once when I got my rank, I was getting pediatrics and I was not getting medicine. So I talked to my senior, one of the senior I had met in AIMS Delhi, and I talked to him, and he said you should respect the rank, because it's not there is no guarantee that even in the next exam you'll get the same rank, because you have a very good rank as of now. It's not the best that you wanted, but still a good rank that is fetching you a decent check. So you should think about all these aspects before taking in the decisions. And whatever decision I took for myself, it will not like suit you also. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको भी वो decision blindly follow करना है. You should think what is best for you. You have to think about the family, the city that you want to settle in. You have to take into all this consideration, and don't talk to too many people, or you'll get confused. Just talk to 2-3 people that you have faith in. Talk to your family members, and trust me, you'll arrive to the decision. So in one line, if you want to deal with the borderline rank, see if you're getting at least the rank, the top 3 branches of your choice. If you're getting at least any of them, go for it. Respect the rank. If you're not getting them and you still feel that I have this fire inside me and I can do it, go for it. There are a lot of examples of people who have done it. Now a lot of people say rank not improving despite multiple attempts. See, as I always say, there are so many people who work for it, and it's a very competitive exam. If you're studying 16 hours, there are people who are studying 18 hours. If you're giving your 100%, there are people who are giving their 200%. So you have to prove why you are better than them. And some people say it's a rat race, but it's something that we always everyone want to go for it. हर किसी को लगता है कि मेरे को एग्जाम किसी भी हालत में निकालना ही. The reason for not improving your ranks is because you're not improving and working on your mistakes and your weaknesses. Some people are just preparing because everyone is preparing. हर कोई prepare कर रहा है, just following the herd. But you have to work on your weaknesses. You have to work on your mistakes, and you have to be serious. Some people, they just जो भी course आ रहा है लगा लो, जो भी बोल रहा है कर लो, and because of that they lose the track in between. They get distracted a lot. हर चीज करनी है, but this takes these things take you away from the study, because you should see that gradual improvement in your GTs and in your results as well. अगर आपको improvement नहीं दिख रही है, तो then it will not help. So think, introspect and सोचो कि what is going wrong. Instead of अगर एग्जाम हो गई है, अब नहीं हो रहा है, अब ब्रेक ले लो. टेक अ 2-3 weeks break. Think कि क्या हो गया, क्या गलत हो रहा है, and then start again. Definitely your rank will improve. Now there are some students who say that I have a under 200 sorry, I have a under 200 or under 500 rank, but I still want to repeat because I want to get a decent rank. So first of all, that it's a competitive exam. So even I was not sure when I had a medicine set in my hand, and I thought कि चलो मैं फिर भी repeat करूँगा. Even I was not sure कि I'll get the rank, but I had belief in my preparation. तो बस अगर अपने preparation पे belief है, you know that you can sit with discipline for the next few months. If you can put the same hard work for the next few months, definitely you can go for it. अगर आप, if you're someone like, if you feel like नहीं मैं पढ़ाई भी मैं I will join some job and like join a careership and I'll study along because my preparation थोड़ा तो मैंने पढ़ ही लिया है, रैंक भी अच्छी आ गई है, और if you take it for granted कि अच्छी ठीक है रैंक आई है तो अच्छी आएगी, things can go other way. So prepare with the same intensity. Don't get distracted. Don't change your methods. You are very close. Only reason why you are not in the cream layer is because you did a lot of silly mistakes, and that is because lack of revisions and your somewhere your focus faltered. So just you need to prepare with the same intensity. A little bit of luck also will definitely help you. अगर आपके पास decent rank है and you want to prepare it again, go for it. It's okay. Follow the same things what you are doing and don't get distracted. Now some people say I can't prepare one more time, बहुत हो गया, मैंने बहुत पढ़ लिया, नहीं हो रहा है अब. See, sometimes some I had when I started my preparation, we were a group of like 12-13 friends. उसमें से we know like 2-3 friends they thought कि नहीं यार अब होगा नहीं, and they took TNB, they took the alternate path. Some of them directly started practicing, and trust me, when I look back like after 6 years, everything is fine, everyone is doing fine, they are doing excelling in their career. जिसने TNB ली थी उसने बाद में MCH क्रैक कर दिया, उसने बाद में DM क्रैक कर दिया. Now when we thought we used to look at them कि हमने MD ले लिया, उन्होंने DNB ले लिया, but now they have taken MCH and DM and they have moved away in their life. People, because sometimes you have to think about the circumstances that you have. There is no standard textbook. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी के ग्राफ ऐसा है कि कोई consistently rank लेके आ रहा है and he has done tick all the good boxes, and it's not like that will be everyone's life. हमारे लिए ना, जैसे आप देखोगे like after results classes will project rank 1, rank 2, rank 5, rank 8 and they will provide their videos, but nobody talks about the mid rankers and nobody talks about the majority of the people who actually become successful in their life despite of not choosing the routine path or the regular path that people follow. And trust me, I have seen a lot of people that they hung their boot कि अब नहीं हमसे prepare हो रहा है. They chose alternative path, like they went for a UPSC एक combined medical services का exam होता है, they went through that. Some people started their private practice, some people took diploma, some people took DNB, and they are doing fine in their life. So I'm not asking you to quit. I'm saying that sit down, see your resources, see your family, what your family wants, कि हमारे घर में conditions क्या है, what sometimes things go other way. After my preparation, after my MD, I spent 1 year with my parents. I know that SRship में मैं 1 साल पीछे हो जाऊंगा, but I knew कि I want to spend time with my family because I don't know when I'll get that time. So you should respect your family. You should respect the time that you should have, because ये तो चलता रहेगा यार. There will always be someone better than you. अगर आप MD हो, आपके ऊपर कोई DM होगा. आप अगर स्टेट कॉलेज से हो, कोई एम्स से होगा. आप एम्स से हो, बोलेंगे आप पेरिफेरल एम्स से हो, फिर दिल्ली वाला एम्स आपको नीचे दिखाएगा. इफ यू आर फ्रॉम दिल्ली एम्स, दे विल से आई एम फ्रॉम हार्वर्ड. There will be someone always above you. There is no limit. You cannot be the best in the room. There will always be someone better than you. तो don't go into that. तो अगर आपको लगता है कि you can always choose a good path for you, and you can always take the decision for you, and you don't have to keep preparing because one is forcing. And even if you feel कि अगर आप में 1% भी एनर्जी बची है, you can convert that energy to 100% in the time, because starting again will be difficult. देखो फर्स्ट स्टेप तो डिफिकल्टी रहेगा, ऐसा नहीं कि आप बैठ गए और स्टार्ट हो गया. इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट, ट्रस्ट मी, बट once you start slowly that fire will build up and you'll do again. You can improve your field. I received from a lot of students कि मैंने बहुत पैनिक कर दिया, एग्जाम के 1 घंटे में मैं एग्जॉस्ट हो गया. The reason is because you're thinking too much. The reality is better. The imagination are worse. You get tired in your imaginations. एग्जाम से पहले ही हम सोच के कि एग्जाम कितना खतरनाक होगा, मैं अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं करूँगा. You get tired there. See, there is a saying that tomorrow's worry does not take away that worry. It destroys today's peace. तुम बस खुद का आज का पीस बर्बाद करें. Don't think much. Don't think about panic. Don't think about exam at all. Think about preparation कि मैं कैसे प्रिपेयर करूँगा, how I will perform. Give more GTs. Get that experience. एग्जाम का एक्सपीरियंस कर लो. फ्रेंड्स के साथ बात कर लो. Trust me, it's not a big deal. When I was preparing, I was always, I felt depressed. I felt like, कि नहीं छोड़ देता हूँ. I also panicked. But I realized कि यार इसको मैंने बहुत बड़ा डील बना दिया है than what it actually is. Don't think that much about the exam. Just think about preparation and how can you enjoy this phase. Trust me, this is a beautiful phase. इसके बाद ये preparation वाला phase कभी नहीं आएगा. You will be just working every day. You cannot take break. Trust me, this is a good phase. learn to cope up with that, learn to be positive in this phase. And lastly, should I give up? See, that answer I cannot give for you, nobody can give it for you. Think, talk to your parents, and think what you want in your life. Can you do it? 100%. अगर आपको, मैंने बोला 1% भी आपके पास एनर्जी है, 1% भी आपको लगता है, देखो लॉट ऑफ पीपल मोटिवेट, लॉट ऑफ, यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ मोटिवेशनल वीडियो, ऐसे हमें लगता है कि यार मोटिवेशन देख के हम फालतू में मोटिवेट हो रहे हैं और पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं और एग्जाम तो निकल नहीं रहा है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स नॉट अ मोटिवेशन दैट विल मेक यू अचीव व्हाट यू वांट, इट्स अ डिसिप्लिन. इफ यू आर रेडी कि अगले कुछ महीने में बैठ के अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करूंगा, if I can revise well, if I can work on my weaknesses, trust me, there is no one will stop you from cracking the exam. You have NEET PG 2024 in around 100 days. You have INICET May session, and trust me, there will be again November INICET. So next 1 year, you can completely change the fortune. You can completely change the face of your life. Only if you have that energy, or if you are willing to do it. बट अगर आपको लगता है कि नहीं, मैं बस ऐसे ही करते रहूँगा, मैं सब कुछ करूँगा ना, आई डोंट नो, आई कैन बी ऑनेस्ट विथ माई प्रिपरेशन, then no one can save you. So think about it, and I don't think, if you feel that नहीं मुझे ज़िंदगी में कुछ करना है, I want to do it for myself, you should not give up. So as I always say, learn to rest when you're tired and do not quit. So guys, I hope these videos and these answers will help you, and these are just the candid thoughts that came to my mind and I want to share with you all. So I wish you all the best and take care.